Pixel, before your insertion into the school environment, a final review of the Rainbow Protocol.
Pixel-kun, please pay close attention. Each of these protocols has been precisely calibrated for your safety. This section on dietary control minimizes potential emission catalysts, while effort minimization regulates your oxygen intake. It's all for your well-being, dear.
Pixel, listen, your father, pay attention. This is very important. This is not a common bag. It's a particle dispersion and rebreathing sac with a carbon polymer lining. In the event of a hiccup crisis, code purple, deploy immediately.
You guys want me to put a bag over my head in the middle of the hallway on my first day? Why don't you just tattoo freak on my forehead instead? First day on enemy territory. Mission, survive without any colorful casualties.
Would you like a soda?
I suffer from gas and heartburn. I'd like, but I can't.
Hello, you are the new student at the school. Welcome. Can I sit with you? Excuse me, I saw your notebook in physics class. Is that Einstein's field equation? Nobody here is into general relativity. I'm Leo.
Hi, yeah, I like physics. I'm Pixel. My birth certificate says human, but my first solid meal was basically a waxy nuclear disaster. My parents were brilliant scientists. So brilliant, they figured the best place to store atomic-grade tracking isotopes was at home, in crayon form. I was a baby. Everything looked like food. I don't know about you, but my rule was, if it glows, it goes in the mouth. The next day, my dad made the discovery that would change our lives forever.
Arisa, you need to see this. The diaper, it's iridescent.
See you around. Maybe you'll come and join the physics club hours. What happened because you ran away like that?
I need to do something to stay away.
Is that low temperature plasma contained in a polymer field? How did you do that?
Rainbow shuriken.